Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your currency on your store on Weebly, so let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see, I'm currently on the main page of my website, and I've set up just some simple test item, and I'm going to show you guys how you can change the currency for this item. As you can see, currently it's set up for dollars, and I'm going to help you guys change this. Now, if I go into settings over here, I'm not sure if I can do it from here. So let me just check. Okay, so it's not possible from this page over here. You're going to need to exit and go over into your dashboard. So it's not available through the editor. But once we're on our dashboard, on our overview page, we're going to go into settings, drop it down, and click on checkout. Once we're on checkout, you'll see this here screen pop up, and it'll allow you to set up Stripe and PayPal, which these are the only ones available in my region currently. But at the very bottom, as you'll see, you have your country and currency selector. Here you just need to click change. I think by default it's just going to default to USD, so let's just click change, and here you can choose whichever currency out of these ones here you want to choose. So for example, let's change it to euros. Select the euro, click save, and there we go. Now the currency has been changed. Let me go back into my website to see if my item has changed. So let me just enter the editor really quickly. And once we're here, we're going to scroll down until we see our items or products section. And once I do, there we go. It's been changed to 10 euros instead of $10. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.